Yeah, it's a 2014.
Okay. Are you filming me?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. I forgot.
My name is Jill.
Hey, I'm Jillian from Apex Overland, and we're going to do another walk around on this 2014 Toyota 4Runner that we just wrapped up. We did a full build out on this one. It was 2014, so it came to us and needed a little bit of maintenance on it. So we did some hubs, some lower control arms, tie rods, and we got all that squared away. And then we started with the upgrades. We did a backwoods adventure mods, hybrid front bumper with a 9-inch prowler lights. We added a Warren Evo synthetic 10,000-pound winch. Also on that, we did the Baja Designs amber fog lights. And then rounded it out with a full skid plate package from LFD Off-Road. For suspension, we did the full Radflow setup on this one again with SPC upper control arms. It's extended travel front with remote reservoirs and compression adjusters. The full skid plate package from LFD includes the engine, transmission, and transfer case, and then we added a C4 fabrication fuel tank skid. We also did some RSG sliders. And then for the rear suspension, we did long travel Radflow, again with the remote reservoirs and compression adjusters, but on this one we upgraded the rear links to Dobinson's upper and lower, and then we also did a Dobinson's pan hard bar so he gets the maximum amount of articulation when he's off-road. For the roof rack, we did an LFD off-road 7/8 length roof rack. And then on the rear bumper, we matched the front with another backwoods adventure mods. So we'll swing out with the LFD dual jerry can. The main thing I really like about this bumper is that it's a hybrid, so it's steel and aluminum. So the underside, the main part of the bumper is steel, so it gives you that protection, but the swing outs are aluminum. It makes it really easy to open. It also reduces the weight. On the inside, we did a goose gear seat delete system, deleting the second row, and then also adding a side-by-side drawer system in here. So he has plenty of room for storage, along with this fridge slide so we can add his refrigerator. Another great upgrade that we did on this one is the Power Brake Stage 1 Performance Brake System. Here you can see the bigger caliper with the rotor. We added the ARB dual compressor because we did a air locker in the front when we did the re-gear on this one as well, and we did the Viair 1-gallon tank underneath. For electrical, to manage all these extra lights that we put on, we did a Switch Pro management system. This also would control his air locker and compressor. And here's where we mounted that Switch Pro panel. It makes it really easy to use right here by the steering wheel to the left. And to round out this build, we also outfitted him with a recovery kit. And a Garmin Tread Overland Edition and a Garmin InReach Mini, so he has satellite communication when he's off-grid. If you're interested in this build or maybe getting yours outfitted, just reach out to us at apexoverland.com.